Number 1. BMW 2002. 1973 year of issue. This 1973 BMW 2002 is in faded agave green with a saddle brown interior. There is a dent in the front right fender and has been poorly bondoed in the rear left corner. Rust hole just over the passenger side rear fender. Structurally, the car has good integrity with the rocker panels and rear shock towers in good condition, but it has surface rust in places like the roof and rear quarter panels. The car has a dealer-installed Frigiking AC center console and the old York-style AC compressor, but its functionality is unknown since the car is not in running condition. Ready for a full restoration. Links to listings below. Number 2. Chevrolet 210. 1957 year of issue. Built up and used for both street and strip duty, this 1957 Chevrolet 210 Sport Coupe has been reimagined as a gasser-class drag car with a significantly modified 350cu.in engine, floor-shifted manual transmission, and an upgraded chassis that includes front disc brakes, coilover rear shock absorbers, and traction bars. In gasser style, the 210 has a front-end lift kit. The engine's modifications apparently center on a Holley 4160 double-pumper carburetor with a dragster-style air scoop and revised jets, along with high-energy ignition, custom engine mounts, and long-tube exhaust headers with side dumps. Other modifications include an NHRA-approved bell housing, 12-inch clutch, and new 3.52.1 rear gearing. The seller says the car can be driven anywhere on 93-octane fuel and is a longtime veteran of competition at several Midwest drag strips. The upgraded interior, with additional gauges and an aftermarket audio system, shows no damage. Links to listings below. Number 3. Chevrolet 210, 1957 year of issue. Available now is this 1969 Chevrolet Biscayne 4-door sedan. This Biscayne is powered by a 327 V8 engine mated to a factory 4-speed manual transmission. This one is dressed in orange over a green interior and rides on factory steel wheels with dog dish hubcaps. This car features AC and power steering. This car runs and drives, but the interior is in certain need of total restoration. This would be a great candidate for a sleeper muscle car or simple a cool cruiser for the weekends. The 1969 Biscayne 4-door sedan had a length of 201.4 inches, a width of 79.9 inches, and a height of 54.8 inches. It was powered by a range of engines, including a 250 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine, a 307 cubic inch V8 engine, and a 350 cubic inch V8 engine. The most powerful engine option was the 427 cubic inch V8 engine, which produced 425 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque. Inside, the Biscayne was also fairly basic. The seats were upholstered in vinyl, and the car had a basic AM radio as standard. Options included air conditioning, power windows, and a range of audio systems. Number 4. AMC Ambassador 880, 1966 year of issue. 1966 AMC Rambler, Ambassador 880, 6-cylinder 232 SU, 49,000 miles. Both the interior and exterior, as well as the engine, are original. It has new brakes and brake lines, a new gas tank and fuel lines. Car comes with an extra set of tires and a full-sized spare tire. The exterior is the original factory color, Apollo yellow. The exterior has minor dings and some rust along the doors and windows. The chrome is in great condition. The interior is in great shape, although the headliner has some water damage and the dash has some cracks. This Rambler would make a great project car for someone who is willing to invest the time. Links to listings below. Number 5. Chevrolet Corvair Monza 900. 1964 year of issue. This first generation 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Monza 900 is finished in yellow combined with a black interior. Equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, 6-cylinder engine, dual carburetors, single exhaust outlet, quad headlights, 2-spoke steering wheel, Monza badging, louvered engine cover, chrome bumpers, front bucket seats, a rear bench seat, a driver's side mirror, manual crank windows, vent windows, sun visors, white line tires, and Corvair branded hubcaps. A well-priced Fisher body Corvair that is mechanically sound. If you're interested in more vintage cars for sale, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping us out a lot. 54 year of issue. Presenting this third generation 1964 Dodge Dart convertible that is finished copper combined with a brown interior. This black plate California car is equipped with a push-button automatic transmission, inline-6 engine, Carter single-barrel carburetor, single exhaust outlet, convertible soft top, boot cover, chrome trim bumpers, 2-spoke steering wheel with a horn ring, Krakow AM/FM radio, bench seats, lap belts, manual crank windows, dual side rear view mirrors, glove compartment, sun visors, and fender-mounted antenna. Completing the look of this vehicle are the Dart-branded hubcaps, which add a touch of authenticity and style. A jack is included for any necessary maintenance, and a full-size spare tire is fitted in the trunk. Ensuring peace of mind on your journeys. Despite its salvage title, this vehicle is still running and driving and is priced to sell fast. This American classic is in need of repair due to the accident damage, but with the right expertise and attention, it has the potential to be restored to its former glory. Links to listings below.